Apple is finished. For the past few years, Apple was ahead of everyone including Samsung when it comes to the CPU performance as well as the GPU performance on their iPhones. They were the first and the only brand right now that adopted a 3nm TSMC architecture. But things completely changed this year because Apple got lazy. Their biggest nightmare is coming true. Galaxy S24 Ultra with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 beats the iPhone easily when it comes to the graphical performance, with very close performance when it comes to the CPU numbers are concerned, marking the end of Apple's chip dominance. And guess what? Samsung is about to go to an even next level as we look at our first early benchmark result for the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 coming later towards the end of this year, which will be powering Galaxy S25 Ultra along with the Dream Galaxy chip. The test device has scored 10,628 multi-core score with 2,845 single-core score. These numbers are close to Apple's M3 chip. Looking at the GPU scores, this number absolutely crushes the number we get with the iPhone 15 Pro Max's GPU, meaning we're getting about 60 to 70% faster GPU on the 8 Gen 4. These numbers are straight up ridiculous, and if Apple doesn't do something big with the Apple 18 Pro chip coming with the iPhone 16 Pro and the 16 Pro Max, they will absolutely be finished. Keep in mind, these are just the early scores of the 8 Gen 4. We're definitely going to see even better results with the final official devices. It's safe to assume Galaxy S25 Ultra will truly be a monster of a phone when it comes to performance. Now, a big credit goes to ARM because they have changed their strategy for 2025 in order to dethrone iPhones when it comes to the CPU performance. Yes, ARM has developed a custom Cortex X5 CPU core named Black Hawk for 2025, which is set to bring the biggest performance gain we have ever seen in the last 5 years. And looking at the leaked scores of the 8 Gen 4, seems like this is exactly what's going on. Also in the news, Samsung's 3nm chips will be ready in the first half of 2024, meaning Exynos 2500 will absolutely be based on a 3nm process built by Samsung. Since Exynos 2500 will also utilize the Black Hawk Cortex X5 custom CPU core from ARM, just like the 8 Gen 4, we're hoping to see the same kind of incredible performance along with an even better custom AMD GPU. Now coming back to the present, Samsung has officially announced the result of their pre-sales for the Galaxy S24 series. Samsung has indeed sold 38% more S24 series model than the Galaxy Note 10 series. Again, this is for Samsung's home market, South Korea. It is expected that Samsung is doing pretty good with other markets as well, especially India and US. Again, we'll see about the official numbers very soon, but that's it for this video. Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 will be a monster of a chip, and if Apple doesn't do something big this year, Samsung and other Android manufacturers will take over. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.